Does the length of your blog post matter when it comes to SEO? Should you focus more on creating more blog posts or less blog posts, but have them each be a little bit longer? That is what I am diving into in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Mariah, a website strategist over at mariahmagazine.com, where I help online business owners increase their website traffic and their SEO by creating a website strategy that's unique to their business goals and their target audience. So one of the most commonly talked about topics in the blogging world when it comes to SEO has to do with the length of a blog post. So how long should a blog post actually be? Is there a number or like a character limit or like how many words? Well, back in the day, the usual typical rule would be to create a basic 300 to 500 word blog post once or a few times a week, and bam, you'll just show up in Google search results, no problem. But those days are long gone. And the answer to this question isn't as simple as a number of words. It has more to do with your target audience. So when you're coming up with a blog post idea and your goal is to have that blog post rank in search results, you need to know two very important things. Number one, who is your target audience? Like, who are you writing this blog post for? And then number two is, how long does the blog post have to be to successfully explain the material in a way that resonates with your readers? So basically it all depends on the answer you're giving or the solution that you're giving and what these readers expect to get out of your blog post. So people sometimes assume that shorter content is best for users because our attention span is getting shorter as a society. And shorter content is easier and faster to read, essentially. So does that mean that writing short content is the answer to ranking in Google? Most likely, absolutely not. So Google wants substance, evidence, and facts from authoritative sources on whatever the topic is that you're writing about. And as it turns out, longer content typically has all of those elements baked right into it, which is a big reason why long form and like longer blog posts rank better in organic search than shorter blog posts and shorter content. So there's been a few studies, and basically what they show is that around like 2,000 words, typically maybe a little less, maybe a little more, perform better than the shorter posts of like those 300 to 500 word blog posts. And why is that? Well, because the blog explains more and goes into more detail, hence the extra content in there. So I'm not saying that in order to rank in Google, you have to fill your posts with fluff in order to get it to 2,000 words. But I am saying to think about your website visitor. Really think about who you're writing this post for. Will diving in and getting more specific with your blog post help them a little bit better? Can you give examples and explanations to make your content a little bit more well-rounded? So think about how you as a user uses Google. So if you need an answer to a question or a solution to a problem, do you want to have to beat bop around to 5 different search results in order to get the full explanation of what you're looking for? Or would you rather have one blog post give you everything that you need to know? Me, I would definitely recommend reading one solid, strong blog post instead of flipping back and forth between a handful of them. Now, there's a lot of things that go into play here, especially because Google has over 200 ranking factors. But as a rule of thumb, when you're writing your blog post, don't focus on the number of words that you're writing. Focus on your ideal audience. You know, the people that are going to be actually reading your content. And make your post as helpful, insightful, and or entertaining as possible, because what the reader thinks about your content matters. especially to Google. And when you have that longer form content, that gives the search engine crawlers more clues to determine what your content is about. And the better they understand your content and your blog posts, the better they can recommend it to the people that are searching for it. So that's it for today's SEO tip. If you're looking for more information on SEO or improving your website traffic, click on the link in the description below to download a free copy of my ultimate blog post SEO checklist. And if you guys have any SEO or website strategy questions that you'd like answered, go ahead and comment below so I can help you understand the world of websites just a little bit better. And then don't forget to give this video a quick thumbs up and then hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so that you don't miss out on all of the videos I have coming your way. Bye guys.